Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can use the sort function in the software. All what you have to do is click on the top right hand corner in the screen. You'll see how you could sort your columns. You could sort it by the ascending order right here or descending order. You could choose by master's queue, or you could sort it by title, or you could sort it by created. Let's try and click on the sort by title and see what that will do for us. So here we sorted everything based on alphabetical order from A to Z. If we click on Z to A, it will switch up and reverse all the sorting from Z to A. You could also sort products and columns by just clicking on the column title. So if you just click on master's queue, it's going to sort everything in alphabetical order. If you click on it once again, it's going to sort everything from Z to A. And if you click on it for a third time, it's just going to return back to the default sort, which is based on the date added. So with that being said, this is how you could sort all of your products.